Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel out of sugar. First, gather your ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Make sure your pan is impeccably clean to prevent crystallization. Also, have a heat-proof spatula or whisk nearby for gentle stirring. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful caramel-making process. Now, combine your granulated sugar and a small amount of water in the saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This step is crucial for preventing graininess and ensuring a smooth texture. Once the mixture starts to boil, stop stirring. Let it cook undisturbed to achieve that beautiful golden color. As the sugar mixture boils, you'll notice it begin to thicken and change color. It will progress from clear to a light amber, then to a rich, deep golden brown. This transformation happens quickly, so watch it very closely. The moment it reaches your desired caramel color, remove the pan from the heat immediately to prevent burning. To stop the cooking process and achieve a pourable consistency, carefully add a small amount of hot water to the caramel. Be cautious, as it will bubble vigorously. Gently swirl the pan to fully incorporate the water. Once slightly cooled, pour your homemade caramel into a heat-proof container. It's now ready to use in your favorite desserts or as a delicious topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.